गोंय सरकारान शुक्रारा केंद्र सरकारा कडेन नोबेल प्रायज संदर्भात करार सय केलो. पंतप्रधान नरेंद्र मोदीन घेतिल्ल्या फुडाकाराचो हो एक भाग आसा. इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर, रोजगार आनी नोकरेक संदी हे ह्या फाटले मुखेल हेतू म्हूण मुखेलमंत्र्यान ह्या वेळार सांगलां. आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
Is a very important event, as equally as important as the event we just went by. This is equally important event. We have signed an MOU with Government of India and Nobel Prize series for conducting a program which was initiated by none other than our Honorable Prime Minister during last year's Vibrant Durga. They are very equally important. While the project for which the program went on just now is an infrastructure project which would generate income, which would generate employment for local people, as well as better tourism and better communication. The program which we signed prior to that, 15 minutes prior to that, in the next room, I believe is a core issue of knowledge. Science is a very important aspect of all the education sector and knowledge sector, and it's very important that we push on science education as a fundamental aspect of any education and acquiring knowledge. In fact, the scientific thinking allows you to absorb more knowledge. It makes you like sponge as far as knowledge is concerned, and this is an equally important. These are two foundations of the state. One is infrastructure, employment, job opportunities. The other is the basic core issue of science, the importance of science and education. This is one of the singular events. In fact, when Vijayaraghvan came to me whether Goa is ready, I said, go ready, don't even tell anyone. I will just grab it straight away, because for me this is equally important, and as a part of the educational upgradation, this also becomes a part of the foundation.
It is critically important for wonderful small states like Goa to rise up to the challenge which a new kind of change which is taking up in the world in terms of employability. Very soon, employability all over the West is being driven by what are called cyber-physical systems, robots and mechanization and so on. For us to match up and not become unemployed in that world requires not only technology training, but inspirational training in the foundation of science, so that no matter what happens in terms of new developments economically, new technologies, our young people are prepared. Goans have been extraordinarily adventurous in taking on changes in the world and going forth everywhere from Goa to all over the world, and within Goa too, in making sure that jobs are available to them in a manner which is also sustainable and protects their environment.
Literature and a celebration of peace. With that regard, I am so happy and honored to sit here today and say that we just have signed a memorandum of understanding to be able to initiate the work for the Nobel Prize series here in Goa in 2018. And I think it should be seen as a celebration of science and education. And as the Honorable Chief Minister just said, that is probably one of the most important areas that we all face today. We are so happy to see the strong leadership of the Chief Minister and that he really wanted to make this effort to use this opportunity to see how we together